absolutely beautiful frame-off restoration 1969 Camaro. You will not find a nicer car than this anywhere. Runs great, sounds great, it's amazing. This is a car that's got over $100,000 invested. It doesn't get better than this. Camaro Super Sport, big block, overdrive transmission, air conditioning, 15-inch wheels, meticulously restored, every nut and bolt. It is ready to go. If you're looking for the perfect car, you just want to get in, drive, and win every show you're going to go to, this is the one. RS headlights, SS hood, it's just absolutely stunning all around. I don't think you'll find a nicer one anywhere. Look at the top. There's only about 300 miles on the entire restoration. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.